Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro Shop Parts Department here, and today we're going to do a focus on leather. Now, we know that the Figaro is covered in leather. It's got leather front seats, leather back seats, but if you want that extra bit of luxury, zoom in here, we've got what we call is our leather steering wheel package. Now, originally, the steering wheel would have been just this material here. It was almost like a Bakelite. Same on the gear knob, and on the handbrake, it's very, very similar. You can see it's there. It's plastic, and it had like a pattern bit here for the grip. Now, just due to the amount of restorations that we do here on site, we've made our steering wheel package, as long as with all the other leather parts that we do, available to everyone. Now, this here is an original steering wheel. And the customer's car that this belongs to is emerald green, and they've opted for a two-tone steering, which is our signature ivory colour and the green that we use for the emerald green car, all with contrasting ivory stitching. This is done to the steering wheel, and this is padded to make it feel that little bit more luxurious. We've done the gear knob here in our green leather with the contrasting stitching, and the customer opted for a two-tone handbrake, so you can customize this whichever way you like, but gone for the green grip with the signature ivory base section. With our leather, because we make all of it to order, it's completely bespoke. So should you want a completely pink steering wheel or multicolored, it makes no difference to us. We can do that for you. These are available on our website. So if you head over to www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk, go over to the parts department and type in steering wheel package, you'll see this kit right there. Thank you very much.